Okay, auto level, it's here. If you bring auto level here, as you can see, this nodes, all of the adjustment nodes needs another node to be input on them. For example, we have a hill. And as you can see, this is our hill, and we don't like the height of that. The auto level button is in each nodes in post product sitting here. For example, mountain. As you can see, we have all these post product mountain here. And as you can see, our mountain has a very bad height. I don't like it. For example, or hill or mountain. Let's talk about the mountain. As you can see, I don't like it. The height. What happened here? You can go to the any node that has this post product. You can see the auto level here. You can automatically redefine or refresh the height of your mountain. Nice. And that's it. And as you can see, you don't have any control to that. Nothing. Just auto leveling that, or after that you can use the clamp to define the height of that. That's it. But if you want to more control, as you can see, we have a lots of control here. You can create auto level node and give the mountain to the auto level input of that. And as you can see, it does the job like that button, but you have a lot of control here. It's very nice. You can add it's exactly turning on or off automatic level. You can change the strength of that. Here you can use the change to changing the height of that. Nice. You can apply the rise if you multiplier that. As you can see, you can create a plateau things there. You can define a logarithmic method for another generation method, logarithmic curve. It's mathematical. You can apply it. It's bulky. It's make it's more bumpy and bulky. You can invert it if you want. You can change the logarithmic strength here. It's to make your mountain bulky. Another thing is apply equalize. It's equalize this line. You can see it. It's equalized linearly the top and the bottom of your mountain, or you can use a gamma. For better seeing the gamma, you're going to the 2D enhance and see it. As you can see, as I said before, all our mountain and auto leveling, everything is adjusting the height map, the black and white map of your 3D, and from this you can the Gaia create a 3D, and you can see the gamma here. Gamma, it's you can it's like other software. You can washing out. You can make your height map brighter or more saturated color, or washing out and bring it like this. And now you can see you can create such these things. So don't forget to play with the gamma. And as you can see, we can create such these things. Just it's washing out your height map. Don't forget it's creating that. It's changing to the 2D and affected to 3D. It's all about brightening or darkening your height map, and it affected 3D. Nice. As you can see, the auto level give you lots of other control to your mountain. You have to use that. Interesting. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.